Hey friends, welcome back to Long Switch Academy, your go-to place for boosting your tech career. Today, we are diving into a real deal about Salesforce developer jobs in 2025. Is it still a smart career choice? Let's bust some myths, check out the latest stats, and get to the truth. According to IDC, the Salesforce ecosystem is projected to create over 14.5 million new jobs globally by 2026, out of which India is expected to contribute nearly 2 million jobs. That's not just a number, that's a wave of opportunity. In 2025, companies across industries, finance, healthcare, e-commerce, manufacturing are continuing to invest in Salesforce. The reason? Cloud-first strategies, automation, and personalized CRM experiences. On LinkedIn and Naukri.com, as of this month, there are 20,000 plus open Salesforce roles in India alone, and developers make up a major chunk of that. Demand is solid, period. But here's the catch. The demand is for skilled developers, not button click admins, but those who understand Apex, Lightning Web Components, integration, and DevOps. Top skills companies are looking for in 2025. Apex and LWC, Salesforce Flow and Automation, REST or SOAP APIs and integrations. DevOps tools, Copado, GearSet. Industry clouds, Health Cloud, Finance Cloud. Also, multi-cloud and cross-skill knowledge like React, AWS, or Python is giving developers an extra edge in high-paying roles. Salaries? Entry-level Salesforce devs in India are earning 5 to 7 LPA. With 3 to 5 years experience, it goes up to 12 to 18 LPA. Senior devs and architects, 25 to 50 LPA is the norm in top MNCs and consulting firms. And don't forget, freelance and remote Salesforce jobs from US or Europe are booming. So, is Salesforce still worth learning in 2025? Absolutely, if you treat it as a tech platform, not just a CRM tool. It's great for freshers from non-CS backgrounds as well as experienced devs looking to transition from legacy stacks. And most importantly, Salesforce is not slowing down. It's evolving into AI, data, and industry-specific clouds. So focus on real projects, certifications, and stay up to date. Invest in learning, and this ecosystem will give back big time.